Nowadays, everyone uses cloud storage to keep their important data safe. Few of us uses multiple storage services like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. You may find it difficult to manage them with separate interfaces. There comes the importance of a single place where you can manage all your cloud storage services at one place. Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use MultCloud, a powerful and convenient cloud management tool that lets you access and manage all your cloud drives in one place. Whether you use Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive or any other cloud storage services, MultCloud makes it easy to stay organized and in control. Sign up for a MultCloud account to get started. Go to multcloud.com and sign up for a free account. Once you have signed up, you will be able to connect all your cloud drives to MultCloud. Create an account, you will be receiving an activation email. Simply confirm the activation, then you will be taken into the dashboard like this. You can connect your cloud drives. To connect to your cloud drives, click on Add Clouds button and select the services you use. You will be prompted to enter your login information for each service. MultCloud uses OAuth as your login information is never stored in MultCloud servers. So you don't have to be worried about your credential or login informations. You use MultCloud to manage cloud drives once you have connected your cloud drives. You can click settings, MultCloud to manage them. You can move files between your cloud drives, copy file from one drive to another, and even transfer files between different accounts on the same services. MultCloud also lets you to preview files and documents without having to download them first. You can add even multiple accounts of Google Drive or OneDrive, and you can transfer file in between them. Another interesting feature is automate your cloud management. MultCloud has a powerful automation feature called Cloud Sync. You can schedule a sync. You should transfer Google Drive files to OneDrive every night. You can schedule that. Even you can transfer offline. Initiate a transfer. You don't have to keep your computer or your device on. The transfer will be done online only. This can be a huge time saver and can help ensure that your files are already backed up in between the cloud services. As a conclusion, that is for the video on MultCloud. As you can see, it is a powerful and easy to use tool for managing all your cloud services in one place. With MultCloud, you can stay organized and in control of all your files and documents, no matter where they are stored. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out MultCloud for yourself. Have a nice day.